But right now, everything pretty quiet, especially for us. We have really comfortable temperatures today, actually warmer temperatures in the 70s, and we'll be in the 70s tomorrow too. We have showers moving in tomorrow evening and night ahead of that big cool down, which is coming on Friday. And Friday might feel like a really wintry day in New Orleans. Gray skies, chilly and breezy. Today, so pleasant. Our temperature at 70. Our humidity has been edging up just a little bit, so most of us still consider this really comfortable, but just not quite as dry with that bone dry air that we had earlier this week. Temperatures north and south of Lake Pontchartrain, all pretty much in the 70-degree range. And then way out to the northwest or northeast, you can see the chilly weather happening, and then this kind of warm up here with this ridge of high pressure ahead of our next front. Now, the surface high has shifted off to the east, so when that happens, we tend to warm up. Our winds become more easterly and southeasterly, brings in some moderating temperatures and also a little bit more moisture from the Gulf of Mexico. But we're waiting on that next front, which is right across the center of the U.S. right now. Checking again really quickly on airport delays and trends, really everything looking good. All these green airplane graphics, that means pretty low delays around the nation at this point. Could change later in the day, of course, but just looking at where we're going to see possibly some thunderstorms today. This is not severe storms. This is just an outlook for thunderstorms. And you can see it's across Texas and toward Arkansas and southern Missouri. Now for tomorrow, this is the thunderstorm outlook just out to the west of us. And that will be as the front progresses off to the east and southeast and nears us tomorrow evening and moves in tomorrow night and early Friday. Now today we'll say highs just a couple degrees higher than where we are right now. We'll have a pleasant evening in the 60s, kind of cool though. And then north and south of Lake Pontchartrain tonight will be mainly in the 50s, partly cloudy and turning kind of cool. Now here's our planner for tomorrow. Thanksgiving, you're up early perhaps. Temperatures will be mainly in the 50s to about 60 early in the day. We'll likely see clouds increasing through the day, but look at this all the way through maybe 3, 4, almost towards sunset. We're just looking pretty pleasant and temperatures in the 70s and not much rain. But you can see the rain chance going up by the evening and tomorrow night. Let me show you with our high resolution model what it looks like. We'll start it today around sunset. You can see clouds increase maybe a little bit later today. Then this is by tomorrow morning, everything quiet on your Thanksgiving morning. We'll fast forward to about 4 p.m. and only now are we starting to see a couple of showers around Baton Rouge, maybe sneaking close to Hammond by that point. But really most of our areas, and maybe even Tangipahoa Parish too, should be mainly quiet through about 3 or 4 p.m. at least. Then we'll move into the evening, 7, 8 o'clock, some showers arrive. Models are showing not a lot of rain, no strong thunderstorms, probably not even much thunder at all, just some showers moving in, and rain totals maybe a 1/4 inch or less, many spots maybe a 1/10 of an inch or less. Not a big rain event, but it might be just enough that if you're driving around after Thanksgiving dinner, you might run into a few lighter showers on the roads. Then the front passes through Thursday night, and this is early Friday morning. We're waking up around sunrise with some clouds, probably not much in the way of rain anymore. That will have probably finished by early Friday, and then we're looking quite chilly by Friday. So here's our 7-day forecast. Our warm up tomorrow to highs, probably around 75. Not really a chilly Thanksgiving this year, but also not a terrible forecast aside from that evening rain you'll have to watch for. And then Friday, very chilly. We'll have some clouds, a breeze, and we may not even get out of the 50s all day Friday. Saturday morning looks quite cold with maybe some frost north of Lake Pontchartrain for the morning, and then we're warming up slightly heading into the rest of the weekend and next week.